Let's shoot some video. Get me my tripod. Yeah, that's what it is. Zoom in. Roll it. So today we are reviewing and testing out this beautiful and sturdy product by Zooming, a professional tripod yet at the basic price. If you take it out of the cover, you'll find all the content inside the tripod carry bag, which looks good and is made up of good material which doesn't feel cheap, at least. Branded Zooming. Yeah. Let's open it quickly and see what's there within. There's the tripod. Well, looks beautiful. What does it have? Oh. So let's start checking this thing out. That's the fast loading plate, and if you just feel the surface of it, it's matte finished and gives a good sense of grip for your camera. It's made up of good quality plastic and doesn't feel fragile at all. That is the vertical shooting knob and the 360-degree rotating handle just beside it. Yes, that's the one. Feels very strong. The 360-degree elastic knob here. Holding the tripod makes you feel the durability and the strength of it. It's pretty strong. On the sides, you can see the Zoomei brand and the foam grips helps to handle it with ease. The pellet buckle joints and the non-slip mats at the bottom of the tripod are made up of good quality material and doesn't feel low quality at all. You just hold them and feel the quality of it. Let's make it hold the ground by opening it up. You can see the water level there to mark those precision shots, and you can center the bubble to do so. To make sure that you take those shots at a perfect flat level. The aluminum body painted in elegant ocean blue color adds to the looks of it, and it does come in other color variants. I'll leave links to those in the description section below for you to explore and get your hands on the one you like best. The surface head moves pretty steady to take those stable shots. You can use the 360-degree rotating handle to do that. Let's unlock the plate buckle joints to check the max height that this tripod can open up to. That's pretty tall and goes up to 4.5 feet easily. See that? Well, it's more than half the height of my cupboard at least. Yeah. You can further increase the height of this tripod by using the manual crankshaft. I think that's perfect for the heightened shots that I want to take for a casual photography or a video shoot maybe. What do you think? Go check out yours at the links given in the description section below and grab one of those to take them during your perfect weekend getaway for those memorable photo shoots or the videos that you might want to take. Let me know your views about this one in the comment section below. Do like the video if you found it interesting, and please stay tuned and subscribe for more interesting videos coming your way every week. That's all for this review. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers. Take care.